What is up, everybody? So in this video we are going to be solving convert Celsius to Fahrenheit from the Freecodecamp curriculum. So if you are just here for the final solution, please check the timestamp below and jump to the final solution. But in this video, what I would want to do is I'll take time to explain the problem. We'll do a pseudocode and then we'll start solving it. So if you are just here for the final solution, jump right to it. But if you want to get a step-by-step explanation, then let's get started. All right, so the challenge is to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. And we are told the formula to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is the temperature in Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. So we are given a variable Celsius here, and it represents the temperature in Celsius, and we are supposed to use that variable. We also Fahrenheit, which has been defined here, and we are supposed to assign it the Fahrenheit temperature equivalent of the given Celsius temperature. Use the formula mentioned above to help convert the Celsius temperature to Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's first try and understand the problem here. So this is fairly a straightforward problem. So you have been given a Celsius temperature, and your challenge as a developer is to use this function to convert it to its Fahrenheit equivalent. So that's it. That's all that you're supposed to do. So now let's do some pseudocode before we write the actual code. So pseudocode is just, writing a step-by-step instruction on how we intend to solve the problem. So here I will say, I've opened this new tab here. I'll say given Celsius. Okay. What I will do is we multiply Celsius by 9/5. Okay, and after multiply Celsius by 9/5, we then add the result to 32. Okay, and after doing that, what we'll do is we'll return the sum we get after adding 32. Okay, so the sum we get after adding 32 will be the Fahrenheit equivalent. Okay, so now let's write the actual code. So what we'll do is we already have let Fahrenheit defined or declared here. So I'll hit enter like so. And what I'll say is Fahrenheit, you know what, I'll just copy it to avoid any spelling mistake. So I'll say Fahrenheit is equal to, let's say, Celsius times 9/5, and then whatever we get from multiplying Celsius by 9/5, we add 32 to it, like so. Okay, so now our function to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit is complete. So let's run the test and see what we get. Yes, that's it. Our test passes. Okay, so that's it for this one, guys, and see you in the next one.